We will make a centripetal force apparatus using the materials shown. Measure the mass of the screw nuts and the rubber bung with an electronic balance. Connect the screw nuts and the rubber bung with a piece of nylon string. Set the distance L between the rubber bung and the glass tube to 1 meter. Mark the length with a paper marker. Whirl the rubber bung horizontally. Remember to keep the paper marker just below the glass tube. Record the total time needed for 50 revolutions and calculate the angular velocity of the rubber bung and the tension in the string. Repeat the experiment with different lengths. Does the equation for the centripetal force hold for different values of L?